Hello everyone. Uh, as you guys know, you have already completed your first project, but you had not pushed this project into GitHub repository, and we had not deployed it, right? So I'll help you with that. Okay. So for that, first of all, you need to have your GitHub account. I hope all of you have already made a GitHub account. So I want you to go to your profile, and then you see this plus sign, right? Click on that. Click on new repository then. Okay, and then type your project name. I'll type INTERNSPIRIT project. Okay, once you do that, what you need to do is just scroll down and click on create repository. Once you create repository, click on create repository, you will see all these git commands. Okay, if you just follow them, your you know project will be pushed into your git repository. But there is a problem. What's the problem is that you had initially cloned this project from my repository, right? So what will happen is once you make changes and then push this project, once you make changes and push this project into your repo, right? What will happen is it will not be pushed into your repo, but instead it will be pushed into my repository. So you need to delete a .git file. All right. But you don't see this .git file over here, right? You don't see it, right? Yeah, that's because this .git file is actually invisible. All right. So we'll have to delete it. So what is the procedure? How do you delete? You have to, open your CMD. And I have given all this, okay, in my presentation, what I shared with you yesterday. So what is the first step? Open CMD. How will open? Windows plus R, and CMD is already typed there. And hit enter, and then go to your directory, that is cd desktop. Okay, then go to cd, what is our project name? Vercel deployment test. Okay, and once you go there, what you need to do is uh, copy this command. Once you copy that command, no, come back over here and hit enter. After that, you will see there is a .git file over here. You see, this particular command that we hit earlier gives you all the files present inside this particular folder. Okay, so all the files, index.html, everything is there, right? So at the same time, you see a .git file, which was not visible earlier. So now you need to delete this, right? So how will you delete it? Copy the next command, then come back to your command prompt, and then paste it, and now it has been deleted. Now we need to verify, right, whether it has been actually deleted. So what you do? You hit the command that you ran earlier again, and you see it's not there. That .git file has gone. It was there earlier over here. Now it's not there, right? So that .git file has been deleted. Now you can just open your VS Code, go to terminal. This is how you open your terminal. Go to view and come back here. Terminal shortcut is Control plus backtick. All right. So then what you need to do is you need to just follow this git command. Just git init Control C. Okay. Then see to that you get something like this. Initialize empty git repository. Otherwise, you have done some mistake in deleting your .git file. Then now I want you to come over here, this readme.md. I want you to select all this and just make it empty. Clear everything. There should be no information over here. Alright, do that. And then what I need to do is, then what you need to do is just write git for that in your terminal. Okay, in your terminal, git add space dot. Type that and hit enter. Once you do that, no, all the files will be added to your git repo. Okay, but it is not yet pushed. Okay, it's just added. Okay, but if you wanted to add just one file, then you have to just, instead of writing git add space dot, you have to write git add space file name index.html, like that. Okay, if you wanted to push just one. Okay, then copy the next command over here, git commit, copy it, paste it, hit enter, and something like this will come. And after that, copy the next command, Control C, and then come over here, enter, and then copy the next command, this one, proceed, and come over here and hit enter. So now you have to copy it from your repository. Don't copy what I'm copying. You copy it from your repository. And then this final command. Okay. But before that, just type this git status. Okay. Then you'll see on which branch you are. You're on the main branch and you have nothing to commit. Working on clean tree. Then you paste that final command that you had copied, and then you see it's getting pushed. Okay, it has been pushed. Now what you have to do? Just reload your GitHub. Once you reload, everything, all your files have been what do you say, pushed into your GitHub. Okay, now you have finished with pushing your project into a Git repository. Now you need to deploy it, right? So how will you deploy it? Go to Vercel, vercel.com, and then something like this will open. Okay, um, actually something like this will open. But I feel you guys have not even logged in, right? So what will happen is initially when you go to vercel.com, look, something like this will pop up. Then click on continue with GitHub. Okay, and then sign in, and then you will be directed to this page. All right. So what you need to do is then click on this add project, add new project over here, project, and then you can select your GitHub account. Over here you have to select your GitHub, add GitHub account. Yes, to do that. And then now below this only there will be one sentence sort of thing where it is asking permission to your access to your GitHub account, and you have to click on that and give complete access. I have already done that. You have to just click on that and give complete access. Okay. Then when you give complete access, all your projects will be listed like this. You can even search. I have one project, friend request, something like that. You see, you can search. So what is our project currently? What is our project? It is INTERNSPIRIT project. Click on import. Click on import, and then you will see this. All this will pop up, and then you need to click on deploy. Once you click on deploy, it will load, it will load, it will load, it will load, and ta-da! Your project has been deployed. You just deploy a new project to Vercel, and you have done it. So after that, just click on this, and your project will open. You can just copy this link and then send it to your friends. Okay, it will open. Send it to your parents or anything. Just make some changes on it. All right, that's all. It was quite simple. Okay. If any doubt, message on the group. Okay. You're stuck anywhere with GitHub, just message on the group. We'll help you. Okay.